everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is That Vegan Teacher, and I have the April, because it is April now, Petit Vour Box, and I'm going to open it up so you guys can check it out. Alright, here it is, Petit Vour Box. Woo! I sort of opened it because you've seen me open boxes and it's not my strong suit. But I didn't use scissors. I used this tiny screwdriver because MacGyver, I don't know. But here we go. Let's open it up. Let's see what we have got. Ooh, la la la. Oh, I love this little card. It's so cute. Oh, because it's their 5-year anniversary, so they have an anniversary card. Cute. And it says cheers to 5 years. So we've got 4 products in our box. One of them from Juice Beauty, one from Suntegrity, one from Niu Body, pronunciation, and one from Andalou Naturals. I actually know that one. Oh, and that one is on top. So this is a perfecting face cream, and you're supposed to apply it daily. It is from this brand, Andalou Naturals. It is a Goji Peptide Perfecting Cream. It's so cute. I'm gonna have to use it. And look at all of these. I mean, can we talk about this right now? Look at all of those. Like, not only is it cruelty-free, but it's vegan, but it's gluten-free, but you can recycle it. It's derived 98% of it is derived from nature. Like, craziness. Crazy. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, this is from oh, yes! Okay. This is from, I think it's pronounced Niu Body, but it is a pina colada flavored sugar lip scrub. And I don't know if you can tell on this video, but my lips are falling apart thanks to the changing seasons. So I'm definitely going to try this out. Oh, it smells good. What are the directions? I should probably read them. Buff. Vegan, gluten-free, all natural. Why not? Let's try it out. Ooh, it really does taste like pina colada. If you like pina coladas. It's raining outside right now too, so that's kind of perfect. Except for I don't want to get caught in the rain because I don't like it. I don't know, it feels good. This feels nice. Tastes good. I mean, don't eat it, but like, tastes good. We'll see how it works. We've also got another Juice Beauty edition. This guy is the Phyto Pigments Last Looks Cream Blush. Oh, and it's made from rose and purple carrot. What? I don't usually wear blush because I like to look pale and like a ghost. Ooh, wow. Look how pigmented that is. That is so pretty. Ooh, you can, oh look, you can see my Game of Thrones poster. Yes, I am a nerd, in case you didn't know. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. Check that out. Whoa. Here. Ugh. So there's that. That's what it looks like. It's really creamy, too. I'm going to have to try this out. I don't usually wear blush, but why not? So there is that. And then the last guy. This is by Suntegrity, and it is a organic cleansing oil and a makeup / sunscreen remover, which actually will probably come in handy pretty soon as the sun comes back out. Anytime now, weather. But it's really cool because it cleans your skin without like destroying it, which is always nice. So we'll have to check this guy out too. Maybe I'll use it to take off my makeup tonight and see what we see. But yeah, this was just a quick check-in of our Petit Vour Beauty Box. So we've got 4 super cute little samples. I really like, actually I was listening, okay, story time. I was listening to a podcast that I love, and by a person that I love, and she was like, I hate subscription boxes. And I was like, oh, and like, anyway. So, this box I love because the amount of samples that you get is small. The cost is small. All of the beauty products are cruelty-free vegan. I'm pretty sure. 98% sure. Yes, they are. Duh. I found them on a vegan website. Cruelty-free vegan. So, like, you're getting all of these cute little things. Petit Vour Beauty Box. April. Go check it out. All right, everyone. I want to thank you so much for joining me for this quick little video today. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like what you see. Please leave me some love down in the comments below. Let me know things that you want to see, things that you don't want to see, if you want to see me trying this stuff out, any of that kind of thing. Please let me know. And thank you so much for being here. We'll see you next time.